Hey everybody, this is a different video for me, but you can see in front of you that I have the Wings at the Speed of Sound Super Deluxe. That's what I'm just calling it. Here's the front, and here's the back, and yeah, I got it for $50 from Recyclable Records. So yeah. So yeah, let's just get into it. If I can open it. Trying to move you to see everything. So yeah, this is a great box set that I got. If you don't know, this is part of the Archive series. Back a year, 2 years ago. And sorry if you see my hand, I'm just holding it. And it started in 2011, I think, with Band on the Run. So yeah, just making sure you can see everything. I'm behind the camera, so just making sure you can see everything. So yeah, there's some great pictures I've never seen in this book before. So yeah, the backstory was that I always saw Rock Boy 680 and I think Sergeant Pepper 60 got the box sets as well. I think that Beetle Brad, Beatles, not me, Mr. Mayo, Beetle, the name is gone from me. Anyway, I saw them and I wanted them, but I didn't have the money. So yeah. The owner of the store didn't have any more of these. So I just grabbed the one that he had. And he didn't have none of the others, and I asked him if he had any more, and he said no. I said okay. And that's on the other side of the store was a like a comic book, like a newsstand, and it had box sets in there, and this was one of them. Here's the songs, and these do come out, but it's a pain in the butt to put back in. But those are the lyrics, and then I think these are typed, and those are the replicas of the original. So yeah, this was $50. Now, I don't know what the price is for them on eBay. So yeah, some really nice pictures. And you have a lithograph. I'll pull that out. And there's the lithograph. So yeah. Sorry, I just hit the camera. Let me put it back in. And it's a heavy stock cardstock. There we go. Sorry if my shadow was in the way. And then more pictures. Good picture of someone in the band that I don't have my finger on it. I think these are the different singles that came out, or these are different pictures of the sessions, maybe? I don't know. The sleeve. So yeah, I still can't believe that I have this. There's pictures of the session, and then the front cover, and then the main cover that we know and love to this day, and then the inner sleeve pictures of the LP, and then the back picture, the back of the LP, I'm sorry. Another person of the back of the LP, another person, and then the back of the cover of the LP. Let 'Em In. I think this is talking about the live tour for it, maybe. What some great pictures. Paul with the mustache. And then it comes with a Wings poster. Let me just pull it out. Trying to not tear it. Carefully. That's the poster. Sorry, just trying to see what I'm doing. I'll put that back in after. And then another picture. Oh, I forgot. You have a sticker. And you have a ticket for the show. Can anyone tell me what that is? I might have had it upside down. Anyway. These are little items that are easy to put back in. More posters. I mean, not poster, pictures. More pictures. I'm just still lyrics. Just lyrics. I'm so happy that I finally got one of the archives. Into that, then you got your CDs, your first one, your second one, and I think that's a DVD. And it does have the download card and the little card that tells you what was coming up and what was coming up and what was before that. The guy that had this took very good care of it. So that was, sorry, your inside scoop on the Super Deluxe of Wings at Speed of Sound. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Peace, love.